Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BeautyCam. You will go to settings as you see and you can click here in this page. You can go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you can go to this sign and you can search about BeautyCam, and then you can click here in this page as you see. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here you can click on clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.